This morning I started my day with 3 Julie mangoes, and I just had the best morning, really, right? So morning. So since we are now at 200 subscribers, I thought it was just fitting to do a giveaway, something very simple, but a giveaway nonetheless, of a Flow 200. Do I have a coin? 200 Flow and a 200 Digi, right? So somebody, I'm gonna just read it out. I'm not even gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna put up this video, all right? So 2 people will be lucky, whoever has a Digi and whoever has a Flow, right? So the Digi goes like this: 7419469290639. Again, 7419469290639. And then the flow is okay. Let me see if I should show the Digi, if you can see the number. Can you see that? No, it's not. It's okay. I read it out. I hope you got it. And then the flow now is 224-20-19-15-14356. Again, 224-20-19-15-14356. All right. Have a good day. I hope you got it. Have a great week. Comment below if you got that credit. And as I said, I had 3 Julie mangoes, and that was also to celebrate my 200 subscribers here on Stasia's Journey, or channel. You know, and we are just here travelers, so just gifting my travelers with just 2 simple gifts. All right, so bye, have a great day, be encouraged, do something kind for someone today. Bye.